Hi, I'm Solange. I am a wife, a stay-at-home mom, and an online health, wellness, and fitness coach. This is day 12 of my reset button journey, where I'm focusing solely on nutrition, and how I see food and my relationship with food, how I can better myself and my health internally. And today was just a day when I wanted to be alone, be by myself, do some reflecting, just to have a sense of peace, I guess, just to block out all the noise and focus on me. So that's what I did. Um, I took care of myself for a change. Yes, I'm doing this with the program, um, with in terms of my nutrition, the way I sleep, and how I feed my body. And when I say feed my body, I'm not just talking about nutrition, I'm talking about what I listen to, what I watch, the way I think, and all that stuff. Whatever is going into my body as a whole, head to toe. So today I just wanted to be, and that's what I did. And sometimes you just need to do that. Sometimes, especially if you're a parent, you may not be able to do that. But if you have a spouse or a family member who can take your child for a little while, then definitely do so. Um, Hit the recharge button. You know, Sometimes we just need 30 minutes, an hour, just to be, and then we can get back to the day. So don't feel bad if you need to do that. There's nothing wrong with that. So see you tomorrow for another update and keep your head up. Bye.